Imagine starting your day with a croissant in Paris, cruising through the Swiss Alps by lunchtime, and winding down with a sunset stroll through the streets of Milan, all in a single day. Welcome to the magic of traveling through Europe by train. In this video, we'll guide you through the ultimate European train journey, exploring the most scenic routes, essential tips for a smooth ride, and why train travel might be the best way to see Europe. Train travel offers a unique blend of convenience, comfort, and breathtaking scenery. Unlike flying, there's no need for early check-ins or long security lines. Plus, you get to witness the ever-changing landscapes that Europe is famous for. While train travel can be more expensive than budget airlines, its convenience and comfort often make it a worthwhile investment. Most major European train stations are in the city's heart, meaning you can step off the train and be just minutes away from your next adventure. No need for expensive airport transfers or waiting around for your luggage. One of the biggest perks of train travel is that the journey itself becomes part of the adventure. Unlike flying, where you're stuck at 35,000 feet with nothing but clouds for company, European trains take you through some of the continent's most breathtaking landscapes. Imagine watching the sun rise over the rolling hills of Tuscany or winding through the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps, all from the comfort of your seat. Traveling by train isn't just more convenient and kinder to the planet. Trains produce significantly lower carbon emissions than planes, making them more eco-friendly for your European adventures. Plus, train travel is far more relaxing, with spacious seating and the ability to move freely. You can unwind, read a book, or gaze out the window as Europe's stunning scenery unfolds, all while feeling at peace and comfortable. But to make sure you can enjoy these moments to the fullest, it's essential to plan ahead. Booking your train tickets in advance is crucial to secure the best deals and guarantee your spot on those popular routes everyone wants to experience. Many European train companies release their tickets 3 to 6 months ahead of time, and the earlier you book, the more you can save. For example, if you plan to take the TGV from Paris to Lyon, you can book your tickets on the official SNCF website or through third-party platforms like Trainline. If you're traveling during peak seasons or holidays, booking early is especially important to avoid sold-out trains. Europe's rail network is vast and varied, so it's essential to understand the different types of trains. High-speed trains like France's TGV, Italy's Frecciarossa, and Spain's AVI can whisk you from one city to another in record time, often reaching up to 200 miles per hour speeds. Regional trains, on the other hand, might be slower, but they stop in smaller towns, allowing you to explore hidden gems along the way. For longer journeys, consider sleeper trains, where you can rest in a cozy cabin and wake up in a new city or country, refreshed and ready to explore. And if your travel plans involve multiple countries or several train trips, a rail pass like the Eurail Pass can be a game changer, offering flexibility and convenience throughout your European adventure. With a Eurail Pass, you can hop on and off trains as you please, making it easy to adjust your itinerary on the go. To use your pass, you'll need to validate it at a train station before your first journey. Then, for some high-speed or overnight trains, you may need to make a reservation in addition to using your pass. Different passes are available, from single-country passes to global passes covering 33 countries. It's worth checking which pass suits your travel plans and how many days you'll travel by train. A popular option is 4 days of unlimited train travel for around $230. This allows you to travel on as many trains as you like within those 4 days, perfect for visiting 3 to 5 destinations. Packing light is key when traveling by train, especially since many European stations don't have porters or baggage carts like airports. Stick to a compact suitcase or backpack that you can easily lift into overhead storage or tuck away at the end of the carriage. Make sure to bring snacks, as not all trains have dining cars, and consider packing a refillable water bottle. If you're on an overnight train, pack a small toiletry bag and something comfortable to sleep in. And don't forget to bring entertainment, whether it's a good book, a podcast, or your favorite travel journal. Whether seeking snowy peaks or coastal views, Europe has a train route for every traveler. Here are some must-ride routes. 1. The Venice Simplon Orient Express. Step back in time with the Venice Simplon Orient Express, one of the most iconic and luxurious trains in the world. With its Art Deco interiors and polished wood panels, this legendary train whisks you from London to Venice in unparalleled style. As you glide through the Alps and the Italian countryside, you'll dine on exquisite cuisine prepared by world-class chefs and relax in opulent cabins that evoke the golden age of travel. It's more than just a journey, an experience you'll never forget, Yarin. 2. The Royal Scotsman. If you're looking to explore the rugged beauty of Scotland in luxury, the Royal Scotsman is the way to go. This train, limited to just 36 passengers, offers an intimate and exclusive experience. You'll travel through the Scottish Highlands, past lochs, castles, and ancient forests, while enjoying the finest Scottish hospitality. The train even features an onboard spa, so you can unwind with a massage as you enjoy the stunning scenery. In the evening, retire to your plush cabin, or gather with fellow travelers in the observation car for a whiskey tasting session. 3. The El Transcantabrico. For a journey through the cultural heart of Spain, El Transcantabrico offers a unique blend of luxury and history. This train travels along Spain's northern coast, from San Sebastian to Santiago de Compostela, allowing you to explore the region's rich heritage and breathtaking landscapes. On board, you'll experience a blend of old-world charm and modern comfort, with gourmet meals inspired by local cuisine, elegant lounges, and suites with en-suite bathrooms. Stops along the way include guided tours of historic sites, from medieval cathedrals to ancient caves. 4. The Bernina Express. For a train journey that's all about the scenery, the Bernina Express is hard to beat. This stunning route takes you from the Swiss town of Chur to Tirano in Italy, crossing the Swiss Alps and passing through 55 tunnels and over 196 bridges. The train's panoramic windows offer unbeatable views of glaciers, mountains, and the famous Landwasser Viaduct. It's a UNESCO World Heritage route and a must-do for anyone who loves breathtaking landscapes. Although the Bernina Express is not a luxury train in the traditional sense, the views it offers are pure luxury for the eyes. One of the best parts of train travel is immersing yourself in the local culture. From Parisian cafes to Swiss chocolate factories, here's what not to miss. Starting in Paris, the city of light, your journey isn't complete without indulging in the quintessential Parisian experience. Enjoy a leisurely coffee at a sidewalk cafe while watching the world go by. Explore the masterpieces at the Louvre, or take a sunset stroll along the Seine. Whether admiring the Eiffel Tower or losing yourself in the charming streets of Montmartre, Paris is a city that captivates and inspires, a perfect start or endpoint for any European train adventure. But the journey doesn't stop there. As your train winds through the Swiss countryside, stop in Zurich, a city that beautifully blends modernity with tradition. Indulge in world-renowned Swiss chocolate, explore the city's vibrant art scene, or take a day trip to the nearby Alps for hiking or skiing. Zurich is also a gateway to other Swiss cities like Lucerne, where you can explore medieval architecture and take a serene boat ride on Lake Lucerne. It's a destination that offers both urban sophistication and natural beauty. From there, your journey can take you to Venice, Italy, a city like no other, where the streets are made of water and every corner hides a story. You're immediately immersed in Venice's unique charm as you arrive at Santa Lucia Station by train. Take a gondola ride through the Grand Canal, visit St. Mark's Basilica, or get lost in the narrow alleyways that lead to hidden piazzas. Venice is also home to incredible art and history, with museums and galleries that showcase the city's rich cultural heritage. It's a magical stop on your European train journey, offering romance and wonder at every turn. But the adventure continues as we head to Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic, where medieval splendor meets modern energy. Explore the majestic Prague Castle, stroll across the historic Charles Bridge, and enjoy a traditional Czech beer at a local pub. Prague's Old Town Square is a hub of activity, with its iconic astronomical clock and vibrant street performances. This city perfectly blends history and contemporary culture, offering something for every traveler. As your train journey continues to the sunny shores of Spain, a stop in Barcelona is an absolute must. This city is a feast for the senses, with its unique blend of Gothic and modernist architecture, vibrant street life, and rich culinary traditions. Visit the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia, wander through the colorful Park Güell, and soak up the energy of Las Ramblas. Don't miss a chance to experience a live flamenco performance, a cultural highlight that captures the passionate spirit of Spain. Barcelona is a city that pulses with life, making it an unforgettable part of your journey. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to traveling through Europe by train. Whether it's your first adventure or your 10th, something new and exciting is always waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed coming along for the ride with us, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel inspiration. We'd love to hear about your European train journeys. Drop your stories and tips in the comments below.